गहनम गभीरम सृष्टि से पहले सत नहीं था.
Truth did not exist before the universe came to be. Neither did untruth. Neither did space. Neither did the sky. What was hidden? Where? Who had covered it? At that moment, unmoving, strong ocean was not there either.
निर्मिति का प्रमुख स्रोत है बीज. किसी भी स्वस्थ निर्माण के लिए जरूरत होती है अच्छे बीजों की, अच्छे संस्कारों की. एक छोटा सा बीज अपने अंदर ढेर सारी विशेषताओं को समेटकर पौधे के सारे गुण, सारी विशेषताएं अगली पीढ़ी में संक्रमित करता है. इस बीज के अंतरंग तक जाकर हम काम करते हैं ताकि भारतवर्ष का हर किसान समृद्ध एवं खुशहाल बने और देशवासियों को हरी भरी सब्जियों से स्वास्थ्य मिले.
In the year 1986, inspired by the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, Jalna's famous company Sheetal Hybrid Seeds and Holland's well-known company Messrs. Bejo Zidane BV jointly established Bejo Sheetal Seeds Private Limited. Today, Bejo Sheetal Seeds is one of the top 3 vegetable hybrid seeds producing companies in India. This ISO certified company, with the help of science, especially considering factors like quality, production and yield, developed a variety of hybrid vegetable seeds.
In 1986 I come for the first time to India. What I saw was a beautiful country, full of farmers. The most were very small. What I see, they used a lot of fertilizers, pesticides, and the varieties of vegetables, what they have in the field, were sometimes very poor. Then the idea started how to do something to improve that. And then we decided together with my Indian partners to start a joint venture to produce hybrid vegetable seeds for India. That was a long fight against a lot of different things. Very difficult to start research in India. Very difficult to find the proper places for seed production. But now I can say, after a long time of hard working, now in 2004, we have a lot of beautiful vegetable varieties ready for this market, all kind of different vegetables for all kind of areas. And now I can say more or less with a proud heart, the dream is coming out, we have hybrids for India.
The motto of Bejo Sheetal Seeds is to work for the betterment of farming community. Hybrid seed production, according to the different climatic conditions and different savors across India, is Bejo Sheetal Seeds' speciality. Keeping the Indian farmers' needs always at the top is the policy of the company. Research and development. Research is the spirit of Bejo Sheetal Seeds. The company is founded on a strong base of research. To cater to the needs of the farmers, the company has been developing a variety of seeds with the help of its R&D wing. Bejo Sheetal Seeds is Bejo Zidane Global's research center for tropical vegetable crops. Dutch scientists regularly visit Bejo Sheetal Seeds and are actively involved in the research. For the expansion of research and varietal testing activities, 6 separate research stations have been started at Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Bangalore in Karnataka, Krishnanagar in West Bengal, Guntur in Andhra Pradesh, and Bhubaneswar in Orissa. A strong group of 70 agricultural scientists is totally devoted to the research of vegetable seeds. In the year 2005, Bejo Sheetal Seeds set up a molecular biology laboratory and had adopted marker-assisted selection in the breeding program. To enter the GMO, genetically modified organism in vegetable crop seed sector, Bejo Sheetal Seeds has set up laboratories for gene transformation. Here, the team is working to incorporate traits like disease and insect resistance in some important tropical vegetables. Bejo Sheetal Seeds is collaborating with other companies, all licensing genes for developing the GM vegetable crops from different institutes and universities in India, Canada, USA and other countries. Bejo Sheetal Seeds is working on introducing BT in different vegetables like tomato, okra, chili, cauliflower, etc. Production and processing. For carrying out the important research, Bejo Sheetal Seeds owns agricultural land that provides amenities like polyhouses. Bejo Sheetal Seeds has been rewarded with 54 acres of land by the government of West Bengal for production of hybrid seeds. The company has seed production facilities in Maharashtra, Karnataka, as well as in Himachal Pradesh. Bejo Sheetal Seeds' skillful and professional employees work hard day and night for the production. Mixed and bred seeds are multiplied over 6,000 acres of land by 5,000 expert farmers after conducting proper research. Due to appropriate climatic conditions, company produces chilies and capsicum seeds in China in 1,000 acres by its subsidiary company. A refrigerated storage house is available for storing ready seeds. Then seeds are graded, coated for pest control, weighed and packed by machines according to the requirement.
मैं आसिफ रज़ा मुगल बीज कंपनी भोपाल से आया हूँ बेजो शीतल के ओपन डेज में। यहाँ मैं अपने साथ अपने फार्मरों को लाया हूँ और यहाँ मुझे बढ़िया वैरायटियाँ देखने को मिली हैं, जैसे 344 या 378 मिर्च। हमारे यहाँ रिंकल्सदार पतली मिर्चें चलती हैं। ओपन डे में आने से मेरे फार्मरों को नई चीज़ें देखने को मिलती हैं, नए टेक्निक देखने को मिलते हैं। क्वालिटी बेजो की बहुत ही बढ़िया है। मैं पिछले 10 साल से बेजो से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ।
नितीन झंझने, जगदंबा सीड सप्लाईज, बारामती, महाराष्ट्र। ओपन डेज हा कन्सेप्ट इतरांपेक्षा खूप वेगळा वाटला या कंपनीचा। यामुळे शेतकऱ्यांचा खूप फायदा होतो आणि शेतकऱ्यांपर्यंत आत्तापर्यंत कोणतीही कंपनी पोहोचत नाही आहे की माहिती सांगण्यासाठी की बाबा कंपनीच्या व्हरायट्या काय आहेत, इतर कंपनीचं प्रोडक्शन काय होतं, इतर व्हरायट्या काय आहेत आणि R&D विषयीची जी इतर माहिती ती इतर कोणतीही कंपनी देत नाही। शेतकऱ्यांनाही विश्वासात घेऊन पूर्ण माहिती दिली जाते। शेतकऱ्यांनाही स्वतःच्या चॉईस इथं व्यक्त करायला मिळतात।
To select the best seeds, come on, let's know about the wide range of vegetable seeds developed by Bejo Sheetal Seeds. The company has developed about 2,500 types of tomato seeds that are resistant to Fusarium, Alternaria, bacteria and viruses. Varieties producing high yields in summers, heat resistant, and the varieties producing high yields in less water are the pride of Bejo Sheetal seeds. 3,000 varieties of chili, 1,000 varieties of eggplant, 1,200 varieties of capsicum are the fruitful rewards of the company's R&D wing. Bejo Sheetal Seeds serves the complete range of vegetable seeds. Moreover, 800 varieties are supplied to farmers up to now.
या कंपनीचं बियाणं उत्कृष्ट दर्जाचं आणि शेतकऱ्यांच्या फायद्याचं आहे. आज रोगाला थोडं कमी बळी पडते असं दिसतंय.
ನಾನು ಬೀಜೋ ಶೀತಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಣಸು ಟೊಮೊಟೊ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟು ಬೀಟ್ರೋಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾರಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗರಿಮಾ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಪೊಟೊಟೊ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಸನ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಏರಿಯಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪೊಟೊಟೊ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಬೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
मैं 80 साल से सब्जी का काम करता हूँ और बीजू शीतल से हमारा है संपर्क 1985 से. उसके बाद और कंपनी भी आई, सभी से हम लेन देन किया और जितनी रेंज हमने बीजू के पास देखी और किसी के पास इतनी रेंज नहीं, और जो भी चाहिए इससे मिल जाता है.
Let's know about special features of the company. Bejo Sheetal Seeds is a pioneer in producing hybrid varieties of onions such as Lucifer, Flare, Orient and BSS 262. Bejo Sheetal Seeds has been producing tropical hybrid varieties of seeds for the last 20 years. The company is one of the toppers in chili market. Bejo Sheetal Seeds is a unique company that has been producing true potato seeds in India for the last 10 years.
बेजो शीतल सीड्स भारत की एकमात्र कंपनी है जो पिछले 10 वर्षों से TPS यानी ट्रू पोटैटो सीड्स यानी सत्य आलू बीज का निर्माण कर रही है. TPS का उत्पादन करने के लिए फसल को 18 घंटे सूर्य प्रकाश की आवश्यकता होती है, जिसके लिए सूर्यास्त होते ही सोडियम वेपर लैंप से फसल को प्रकाशमान किया जाता है. TPS से आलू उगाने के कई फायदे हैं, जैसे लागत कम, उत्पादन ज़्यादा. TPS की फसल पूरी तरह रोग मुक्त होती है. TPS हम भारत के अलावा सभी अफ्रीकी और एशियाई देशों में निर्यात कर रहे हैं, जहां इनकी काफ़ी मांग है और दिन ब दिन मांग बढ़ती जा रही है.
Marketing policies. Company's marketing network is spread all over India with 1,100 committed dealers with sales depots at Patna, Kolkata, Varanasi, Indore, Pune, Bangalore, Jalandhar and Baroda. About 100 marketing staff are actively contributing to sales and promotional activities. Company organizes various programs, workshops, lectures and seminars for sales promotional activities to reach farmers in time with its latest research, new inventions and technical details. The company publishes Bejo Sheetal Samachar regularly, which guides the farmer about safety of crops, fertilizer management and gives them important technical information. Bejo Sheetal Seeds officers actively interact and participate in all these activities to help farmers solve their problems and clear their doubts. Problems put forth by the farmers are studied by company experts to provide adequate solutions. Export. The company's hybrid vegetable seeds have a good demand in SAARC countries like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, etc. The company exports TPS to Asian and African countries on a large scale. The company organizes an open house program Fasal Darshan every year to let farmers watch the amazing results with their own eyes. In this program, farmers from all over India come to watch the greenest fields of Bejo Sheetal seeds and get inspiration to make their own fields prosperous. Come, join hands with Bejo Sheetal seeds and witness the greenest revolution of vegetables. The Indian farmer should be happy is the dream of Bejo Sheetal seeds. Greenery of vegetables should bring happiness in lives. Every farmer should be prosperous. Every citizen fit and fine.